Hello and thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to show you how Bertazzoni's 30-inch convection steam oven delivers restaurant quality results right in your home. With the legendary Italian craftsmanship their customers already trust in their ranges, cooktops, and other cooking appliances. Here in the next few minutes, I will walk you through the brand, the technology, the real benefits, and why these ovens might be the right fit for your kitchen. Bertazzoni isn't just another appliance brand, it's a 140-year Italian legacy. They started making wood-burning stoves back in 1882 and still design and manufacture everything in Italy today. That same attention to detail you see in their iconic professional-style ranges is now built into these steam ovens. The design harmonizes beautifully, whether you're a client and doing a full Bertazzoni kitchen or you're just adding one piece. You can buy with confidence knowing that you're backed by a full 2-year parts and labor warranty. Traditional ovens use only dry heat. Bertazzoni convection steam ovens give you three powerful technologies in one unit: full steam, convection, baking, and broiling, or the perfect blend of both. Steam transfers heat more efficiently, so you get faster cook times and dramatically better cooking results. The cavity is one of the widest you'll find in any 30-inch wide steam oven with 1.34 cubic feet, and it has a large convection fan, which ensures perfectly even cooking each and every time. And here's why clients are incorporating steam ovens. Official science shows steam cooking preserves far more nutrients and natural texture than dry heat alone. Vegetables stay bright, crisp, and full of vitamins instead of turning mushy. Seafood and poultry come out incredibly juicy without drying out. And because steam adds moisture back into the food, you don't even need to add oils or butter. It's genuinely healthier cooking that tastes better. Clients tell us once they cook with steam, they may never go back to their old everyday oven for meals. In the US, Bertazzoni offers two 30-inch wide convection steam ovens that perform identically. On the left, you have the 30-inch wide Professional, and on the right, the 30-inch wide Master Series. The biggest difference here is the handle. On the left is more ergonomic, and on the right, more commercial inspired with a rounded handle. You'll notice the chrome standoffs. Both are true 3-in-1 ovens with 6 main cooking functions, plus specialty modes like descale, reheat, and sterilize. These ovens are as practical as they are beautiful. The soft motion doors feel premium, the no-fingerprint finish stays showroom perfect, and maintenance is simple with the built-in descale program and removable parts. Everything is designed to make everyday use effortless. Bottom line is these ovens sell themselves once the results are seen. Home chefs love the professional level, healthier meals that they're getting, and busy families really appreciate the speed and ease. Our clients and trade partners consistently tell us the steam oven quickly becomes their favorite appliance in the kitchen. And lastly, if you have any questions, please stop by the showroom or schedule an appointment to come see them for yourselves. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss out on any of our weekly content. Thank you.